Value versus cost. When we are making a purchase decision, it is often easy to confuse the two, the value for the cost. Now, if we look at them both separately, value is what you get. So if you're buying a cell phone plan, let's say, that costs $50 a month, the value that you get may be internet use on your phone calls, let's say, and some text messaging. That is the value that you get out of the transaction. The cost is $50 a month. It's important to distinguish these two, cost versus value. The first question anyone asks is the value higher than the cost? Do I see more value in it than the $50 a month? In other words, would I rather keep the $50 in my pocket, or would I rather trade that $50 for services, internet usage on my phone? What is the value, and is that valuable enough for me? Costs can be deceiving and lead you to make the wrong decisions. Let me give you a scenario to explain this. You don't want to pay $50 a month for internet access, let's say, because you think that that's too expensive. You don't want to lay that much money out. Now, the problem you can get into with this is if you are doing some kind of a business where you need to have instant access and access to your emails very quickly, this $50 a month could be easily compensated for by getting back to a client faster and getting another job. So you could get a high return on your money simply by spending the $50 a month. So you have to look at what the value you're getting out of it is and how it can benefit you and possibly earn you more money or make your life better. This is important whether you are buying or selling something. So if you're buying, it's pretty clear that you need to think about what the implications are, what the impact is going to be. In that example, it could mean getting more clients because you have internet access. If you are selling something, you need to understand these implications as well, because if you're trying to sell that telephone package to a business person, you can talk about how it will impact their business if they can suddenly get a hold of clients faster. They can send things by email. Maybe they can take pictures of receipts, upload it to accounting software easily because they have internet access. If you can show them how this will save them money and it would actually cost them more money to not pay the $50 a month, it's a lot easier to sell something. And this cost versus value question is extremely important in business and making business decisions. And it's something that I'm going to get into more in future videos and keep talking about it more, because it is a really important concept. If you have any video requests that you want done, just send me an email at hi@jordanarsenault.com and I will answer the most common questions on future videos.